Last night, all I think about is you. Don't stop, baby, you come up too. Don't want, baby, think about you. You know that I'm never gonna lose.
Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Faith if you're new here. In today's video, we're going to get you looking snatched. Here are all the essentials you'll need. First, we have alcohol prep pads. You can use rubbing alcohol and some cotton balls if you need. Then we have brush on glue. This is important. We have our nails. We have our cuticle tool. And lastly, we have our nail clippers, which are literally godsend. This will cut your fake nails in the most perfect shape. Inside of the Kiss nails, you will find that there is a nail filer. I like to use this one. It also comes with glue, but I do not use that glue. I prefer to use this brush on glue. This way, the glue gets all over your fingernail versus the glue that it comes with is just like you put the little dot in the middle of your nail and then your nails pop off the next day. So using this glue will allow for long-lasting nails and you will find that they won't pop off. The first thing we're going to do is go ahead and push back our cuticles. If you do not have a cuticle tool, that is okay. It comes with a wooden one inside. I'm going to go ahead and speed this up. This next part is optional, but I'm going to go ahead and take my cuticle trimmer and I'm going to go ahead and trim my cuticles around my nails. I rock climb, so I just have pretty manly, gnarly looking hands, and I'm going to go ahead and speed this up. I got these nails from Target. I'm sure you can get them anywhere else. If you're unable to find them anywhere, go ahead and just go to the Kiss website and you can find them there. They'll have like a ton of different options, but personally I get a little overwhelmed because there's too many options. So I just like filter it out by like nude nails. Inside of this package, you'll see we have this nail glue. I don't use it because my nails will not last with this. I like to brush on the nail glue. That way the glue gets everywhere, like I said earlier. So you can use that if you want, but your nails aren't going to last as long. So we're going to go ahead and grab this nail file. Next to the nail file, you can see the little cuticle tool you can use if you did not have one earlier. This part is super important. We're going to go ahead and file our nails. We want to do this to create a rough texture on our nails. This will allow the glue to stick on better and longer. So this part is super crucial to having long-lasting nails, so please do not skip over this part because we want our nails to be strong and we want them to stay on for weeks.
Usually I put something on TV, so we never think about you and me. But today I see our reflections clearly in Hollywood, laying on the screen. You just need a better life than this. You need something I can never give.
Now that we've roughened up our nails, it is time to take our alcohol prep pads and we're going to go ahead and clean off each fingernail individually. We're going to go ahead and clean off all that dirt and dust and everything that we just lifted up from our nails. And this will allow our nails to stick on better along with the glue. Now we want to find what nail shape fits our fingernails. So I'm going to take the fake nails and I'm going to size them up to my actual fingernails. This is too big. I can just tell because it's poking the corner, and if you put something on too big, it's definitely going to just pop right off. So I like to put the ones I don't use in a little like discard pile, and the ones I will use, I will line up over here. This seems to fit pretty well. All right, these are it. So we will discard that. We found our thumbnail match. So we're just gonna line those up there. And then go ahead and do this for the rest of each nails.
Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He always been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He always been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. I just wonder what you're dreaming of when you sleep and smile so comfortable. that I could give you that look that's
I really love having my nails lined up. This just makes everything flow so much easier when I am gluing them onto my nails. So we're going to put the glue on our nails. Make sure you get like every little area of your nail, and just like don't apply a crazy amount because you don't want glue like seeping onto your fingers. And then go ahead and put pressure on your nail. I like to make sure I'm pressing on the sides and the middle of the nail. That way the glue just gets stuck there. And I like to keep pressure on it for about 20 to 30 seconds. To me, these nails are a little long. I have kind of chubby, fat, short fingers, so super long nails don't look good on me. So we will be cutting those, just trust in the process. Now we're going to go ahead and apply glue in the nails to the rest of our fingers. I'm just going to go ahead and kind of speed this process up so you don't have to watch all of it, or feel free to watch.
that look that's perfectly unsaid. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He always been faking me out. He always been faking me out. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He always been faking me out. Can't make you happier now.
I am done putting the nails on my left hand. Now we just have to cut them. So I'm going to use my nail cutters that I just bought. I'm absolutely obsessed with them, so I'm going to put the link down below in the description. That way if you want to get the same pair, you can. I promise you, they're amazing. Alright, so this is what they look like currently. And I'm going to go ahead and just file the edges since they're a little pointy.
Make you happier now.
Now that I'm done filing, can we please talk about how beautiful my nails look? I did this for my sister's wedding, and all my friends that got their nails done wish that they just did this to their nails because it looked so much better. And it did not cost $100, and I was able to take them off after the wedding because I needed a rock climb. And it was only $7. So this is the perfect solution. As you can see, my right hand is looking pretty gnarly. I have pretty manly hands, and these nails did a lot of justice, so I am absolutely obsessed with them. I'm going to go off camera for a minute, and I'm going to finish my right hand, and then I will be back to show you the end results. My other hand is done. I just wanted to come back to show you the length that it comes in versus the length that I cut it to. So really quickly, I'm going to show you me cutting my nails again since I kind of got it off camera the first time. We want to make sure that our fingernails are each the same length. So I am going through and checking right now. They are the same length. So now I'm just going to go ahead and file the corners really quickly so I don't poke any holes in my leggings. I need one of those brushes that they use at the salon. That's definitely going to be the next purchase of mine. For this last step, it's totally optional, but I'm going to go in with cuticle oil. This is by OPI. I will link it down below in the description, but I am absolutely obsessed with it. It helps my like rough looking cuticles look nice and smooth. Doesn't last forever, but if you use it routinely, it really does help. We are all done with our nails, so it's time for the final nail reveal. I am absolutely obsessed with this look, you guys. I hope you're just as obsessed with it. If you try it out, please let me know down below in the comments how you liked it. If you found this video useful, please give this a thumbs up and support my channel. Show me some more love so I can make some more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check out the links down below for everything that you'll need.